and welcome back to Gimme 5 Book Review for Children and Middle Grade Books. And today I'm joined with our guest reviewers who are 5th and 6th grade elementary students right here in Busan, South Korea. I have Alex, Irene, and Jason. How are you guys doing today?
Excited! I'm pretty good!
Awesome! All right, well, we're going to talk a little bit about the book. Let's just dive right in. Alex, can you tell us about our book today?
Our reading Mylo and Max break the board. Reading age is 10 years old. It's 12 pages.
Apparently, that's pretty funny. Yeah, 212 pages. That's a lot of pages. That's about what you guys have been reading recently, right?
Yes.
All right, good job. Hey, Irene, can you tell us about the characters in the book, our main character?
Sure, Max is happy with his wanted to find himself in trouble when he is hired to a young wish guy. He's the main character.
Ah, so a wish guide. Wow, who wouldn't want a wish guide? I would really be working that guide a lot. Wouldn't you guys? Yes, absolutely. All right, so Jason, how about you tell us a little bit more about Mylo?
Well, Mylo is like cooking. He has work bending tools and a crazy friend, but he doesn't have her figured out. Of course, it's a lot of problems.
A lot of problems. And as we go through the book, we can see where every problem is met with an interesting solution. But at least he does kind of figure it out because he doesn't have any training and he doesn't even have instructions on about how his plan's going to go. And I think Max has never felt so afraid in his life because during the book, his sister gets kidnapped by, an evil orchestra. So it gets some danger and some excitement in there. And it's just an amazing, fun book for kids. What do you guys think? You liked it?
Yeah!
You would read it again?
Yeah!
So good?
Yeah!
So who would you rather be, Mylo or Max?
Max.
Max? Okay. How about you? Mylo? How about you, Irene?
Max.
Max? Okay. Absolutely. And who wants to have a magical guide?
Me.
Me. So you want a magical guide even if they don't have a plan?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you would take Mylo even without his plan, even though he tells you he's a wish guide and he has no training. You would do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably would too. So this is a thrilling, action-packed tale featuring music, magic, sibling rivalry, and loads of laughter with a spectacular feel-good inside finale. So I really do like the ending. I will not be a spoiler. But more about our author. Our author is Scott Charles, and he is the author of Creeptown, a horror adventure series for young readers. Wow, sounds amazing. He has done a lot. So you can check out more books about Scott Charles, The Final Ingredient, The Bone Picker, The Breaking Game, and Mylo and Max Break the World. Definitely worth checking out. You guys, you're going to have to read those next. You going to read those next? Yeah, absolutely. Well, it sure has been fun. Irene, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Jason.
Yes.
Thank you, Alex. Yes, very modest. Well, fantastic. This is Elizabeth, and this has been Gimme 5 Review. 5 minutes. I hope we went for 5 minutes less. Usually it goes more. But anyways, have a great night, and we will see you next time here on Gimme 5. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye. Do you please?